Good morning, you guys. It's another day. Happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, you guys, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I just got here, and I'm waiting for my first order. So, you guys, I just looked on Viho. I don't like what they have. I don't like the offers they have. Like, they're showing 6 hours for 124. 6 hours. So on Viho, you guys, they don't show you miles. They only show hours and money. So I don't like what I'm seeing right now. On Viho, over here where I live, I don't know if it's the same thing as other places. They post the offers at 9 o'clock at night. That's when they drop offers. If nobody picks up those orders, it surge up. So when it surge, that's when I'll be taking orders. I'll be like, oh, okay, let me take this. But right now, it's not good. The money is not money right now. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do how you call it, Viho today, because it's only 3 orders left. Some people take it, but I don't, because the money is not good. So let me sit here and wait for my first order, my first Spark order. 20 $18 $18 for 2.5 miles, and it's a 3 customer drop off. And let's wait for the pickup time. My first drop off is 5 minutes away, only 5 minutes away. So let's go. 137. Let's go. 139. Let me back it in. That way it's gonna be easier. Let's go. Second drop off, $3.90. $3.90. Could be this one over there. Over here. Let's go drop our second dropper. This is 316. Things on the other side. Whew. Last drop off. Yeah. 210. Going on 210. 210 here. going to be upstairs. Guys, I just received another order. $23 for 3.5 miles, and it's going, yeah, it's going with 3.5 miles. I already said that. So she's about to, oh, let me open the trunk for her. She's about to start putting in my car. So far, my second order. It's my second order, y'all.
Hey, this is your front seat.
Front seat.
Back seat.
Back seat.
And trunk.
Trunk. All right, thank you. All right, first customer, we're going 6 minutes, you guys. 6 minutes. Let's go. I am back on this apartment again, y'all. Back on this apartment. So 102. That's the second door over there. She said knock on the door. Second drop off, 1505. 1505. This one. 1505. Oh boy. 3 cases of water. Let me use this one here. It's about to do its job. I'm coming back for that one. Let's go ahead and pick this one right now. Alright, let's go drop our last one. Last drop off. Alright, last drop off. 162. This one here. Let me park here, because there's a hill over there. Alright. All done, all done. So let's go back at Walmart. Let's go get our third order of the day. Just received another order, you guys. $20 for 8 miles, and it's only 2 drop off. Only 2 drop off.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Got a tip. $10 tip, you guys. $10 tip. Thanks to him. So anyway, let's go drop our second drop off. It's 12 minutes away, y'all. 12 minutes away. Let's go. $70.36. Here we are. It's here. You guys, it's 4:45 right now. 4:45, and I stopped working. It was It was 12 o'clock. Yep. So I had to go run some errands, and right now I am changing my tires because my back tires are super bad. So I came to this shop here so they can change my tire. Anyway, today I only worked like 3 hours. 3 hours from 8 to 12. 4 hours. So anyway, yep, that's about it. I can't wait tomorrow because tomorrow I don't have nothing that's gonna bother me. I'm gonna work that whole entire day. So thank you guys for watching. Let me go check how much I made for today. I worked 62 hours. I mean dollars. $62. That's how much I made in 3 hours. So as I said earlier, over here they drop offers for Viho at 9 p.m. the offers for the next day. Let me know if it's the same thing as where you are if you work for Viho, because this Viho over here is new. They just opened like 1 month ago, 2 months ago in my area, my city, but it's in a different city. So let me know if it's the same thing as where you are, if they keep dropping orders the whole entire day, or if they have certain time they post the offers, because over here they only drop offers 9 p.m. for the next day. So if you like the offer, you go ahead and take those offer, and it's not even a lot of offer. It's like under 10. Like those orders are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10, like 10 8 9. So you go through it. If you like an order, boom, you grab it for the next day. If you don't, you just wait, and those orders, they're gonna keep surging up. So whenever you like it, boom, you take the order. And if they take all the orders, and that's it for the day, that's it. So that's why I'm like, I don't know. So that's about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.